There are two ways to install the plugin. First, you can go to your Creative Cloud desktop app. Inside of that, go to Stock and Marketplace tab. Go to the Plugins tab right here and search for PiXimperfect Signature. And you should find it right over here. Right here, you should see a Get button. Since I already installed it, I see the Install button. So click on it. Click on OK right here and it will be automatically installed in Photoshop. Right now it is installing. So as soon as I open up Photoshop right here, have a look, the plugin is loading. And if you don't see it, you can see it inside of the Plugins tab. And right here, you'll see PiXimperfect Signature just loaded. Now to open the plugin, you would need to create a free MyPI account. That's absolutely free. It's not chargeable or anything. So you can create an account right here. Now let me show you, before we move on, let me show you another way to install the plugin. First of all, how do we delete the plugin? This is also an important thing to know. So you can go to Manage Plugins right here. Inside of the Plugins tab, these are all the plugins that you have installed or got or purchased inside of Creative Cloud Desktop. And from here, you'll see PiXimperfect Signature. You can click on the three dots and click on Uninstall. Uninstall again. Now let me show you one more way to install the plugin. Open your browser, go to pix.live/signature, hit enter or return. It will take you to the product page. Or you can directly go to this link. All of the links are in the description. Now, in here, you can click on Download CCX. If you click on Install in Creative Cloud, it will take you to the previous method. If you click right here, Download CCX, just click on this button, type in your email address and click on Send. You'll get a download link to download this file. Let's extract it. I'm going to right click on it on Windows and click on Extract All. On a Mac, just double click on it. That's all. Extract. And this is the same CCX file. All you got to do is to double click on it. That's all. It will automatically be installed right here. You can choose to install it from Adobe or install locally. That's up to you. I'm just going to click on Install from Adobe directly. You'll see PiXimperfect Signature and you can install from right here as well. Or you can install it locally by going right here. Let's again double click on it and install locally. That will also do the job. There you go, you have it installed. Once in Photoshop and once you have opened the plugin, just as a reminder, you can open the plugin by going to Plugins, PiXimperfect Signature, and just open it up right here. You can create a free account by clicking on this button. Once you have created your account, just type your email and password and log in. That's all. This is the link to the introduction video. You can close it and you have the plugin ready to go.